So in today's video, we're going to look at Microsoft Outlook and running VBA in Microsoft Outlook. So Microsoft Outlook is a little bit different than other items like Excel and Access where you can just share a file. In Microsoft Outlook, you actually have to put the code into Outlook. So let me show you what I mean. So here we're just going to add developer tab because that's not already added for this instance. By the way, this is Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2021 is the version I'm using right now, but this works the same in all of them. So I go to developer and I hit Visual Basic, and then this will actually bring up, initially I've already had this open, so that's why it looked like that. But this initially will come up like this. You have this big gray box, you'll have project 1, and then you just hit the plus sign until you get to this Outlook session and you double click on it. Then you can just paste in your code or just write your code. And this works the same as all other code. You can just step into it. You can run it, stop it, do what you need to do to run your code. So again, you can't share this file. You would actually have to share this code. Somebody would actually have to go into their version of Outlook, into their session and actually add it. So it is a little bit different than Excel or Access where you're just sharing Word, where you're just sharing a file. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.